you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're not already a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button, ring the bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video, and please share with your friends, your family members, so that we can grow this new YouTube family. Today I have an unboxing for you guys, an unboxing from Prada. The other thing is I have a what's in my bag also, because I'm going to transfer everything that is in here to my new bag. So if you want to see what this is all about, you guys, stay tuned. Okay, now we just got a new Prada store near our home here in Georgia. Anyways, I went to the Prada store. Actually, I have a reveal to show you guys. So the first reveal is this new Prada bag that I received, and I was gonna do an unboxing, but you guys, I couldn't wait to do an unboxing. This is like a bucket bag from Prada. It's from the outlet store, so this isn't something that you are going to find on the website. It comes with a nice strap, okay, and you can wear it crossbody or on the shoulder. It's very nice, you guys, very nice. It feels a ton, it takes a ton, so I truly really like it. So I went back to the outlet to see if I can find something else. Fine. So this is my receipt from Prada. Okay, and this is the Prada bag, and this is what it came in. This is a dust bag from Prada, you guys. So they were going to give me like a flimsy looking type of dust bag. I'm like, no, I didn't spend that kind of money for just that flimsy bag, flimsy dust bag. So this is the dust bag that it comes with. It's so flimsy, you guys. There's no way I was going to take this bag, dust bag. Anyways, this is it. This is my little tote bag. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's a little tote bag, you guys. I am a tote bag kind of person. This is a canvas type of material. It's not nylon. It's more like a cloth type of material. It's not nylon, so you can hardly see the Prada sign here, the circle. This is the handle is made out of leather. It has this beautiful bow tie right here, and it has this little thing right here. How do I pull it out? Anyways, it's right here. I can't, I just got it. I cannot pull it out. But this is it. This is it. I think I'm going to enjoy this bag, you guys. The zipper is very smooth. It comes with a strap right here. It's not a crossbody strap. It's too short to be a crossbody. Okay, and very nice. Let's see, does it have the Prada logo? Yes, it does. It has the Prada logo right here. You guys can see it because of my lighting, but you can see it faintly right here. This is the tag, the price tag, all the stuffing that it comes with. Sorry, you guys. And this is what the inside looks like. It's a dark hole, but it comes with a zipper right here, and then it has an interior pocket right here. Okay, maybe it can fit your cell phone or something. It has the Prada logo right here in the inside, and I think it's gonna be able to fit quite a bit, you guys. Okay, so this is my new bag, and I think I'm gonna love it. I'm going to enjoy it. So primarily, I'm going to wear it top handle and sometime on the shoulder. but I think I am going to love this bag. Let me go ahead and put the strap on, as like so. Okay. Okay, here it is, and this is how it falls on me, you guys. I'm 5'5" for reference. I love it. I love it. So let's see what's in my bag. So this is my Gucci bag, you guys, that I got not too long ago, because I told you guys that I had seen this bag on a video that Shea Whitney had done, and that same weekend I went to the Gucci store and I grabbed it. So, you know, because of COVID, this is what I have to deal with, always carrying my little thingy around. So this little what is it called, sanitizer, this little sanitizer thing that I received this from Pink Butterfly. She has a YouTube channel, you guys, and she sent me this along with a bunch of other goodies that I had won last year back in October. But I just love it, you guys, so I carry this around. So this is my little hand sanitizer thing that I carry along with me. This is my mini pochette. Inside my mini pochette I have my key ring that houses a bunch of my cards. Okay, and of course I have a mask, I have pills because I suffer from migraine, I have some cash, and that's all. That's about it. That's in here. Okay, and this is the wallet that I have been using. I'm gonna change it to something else today, but this is the wallet that I have been using. So this is my Chanel Mini O case. Yes, so I basically have a bunch of cards in here, yeah, and some cash. But I've been wearing this non-stop for, I wanna say 3 months, so it's time to give it a rest so that I don't abuse it. Okay, I have my phone, even though I'm filming with my phone today, but this is my phone case that I use for my phone. I have my Gucci sunglasses that I use. Actually, I have 2 sunglasses in here. So I have my Gucci sunglasses, you guys. This is like, whenever I wear this, I get so many looks. People are looking at me, asking me what brand this is, but I got this from Gucci, you guys. And whenever I'm on the mall, so I wear it like this, and I just love it. I just love it. This is one of my favorite sunnies. It just fell to the ground, but that's a Tory Burch pair of sunglasses. So I normally keep one in the car and I keep one in my purse because, like I said, I suffer from migraine, so I gotta have a pair of sunglasses at all time. This is a little pouch that I carry around. It has a little lippy. It doesn't really have much in it. I have a lot of pouches that I carry. So this is from Coach. I have my 6-ring key holder for my car, my house keys. It's all here. And I have I have a bunch of hand sanitizers, you guys. I have this. You can never be too careful. I have this. I have a hand cream from Clinique. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so good. This leaves your hand so nice and silky. I just love it. I just love it. The other hand cream that I actually love so much is the Chanel little egg hand cream. Oh my gosh, I love that one too. But this, my goodness, this is so good, you guys. You guys have to try it. It's from Clinique. I have this little Dior pouch. Let's see what's in this pouch. Oh my goodness. I have lipstick from Sephora. I have a pressing powder from Charlotte Tilbury. Yeah, Charlotte Tilbury. I have my little sponge that I use for my face. I have my little Chanel mirror, you guys. My little 2 double-sided mirror. Yeah, I don't want to blind you guys with this. I love it. It comes with me everywhere I go. Yeah, that's about it. It's empty. That's about it. Okay. And of course I have the dust bag, and I have another mask. So you guys, here's a question for you. This interior here, and I have some gum, I have another face mask, and I have some Vaseline. You gotta have Vaseline. This interior here is cloth, right? Because it is cloth, I have been looking for like an organizer to just to protect it, because I do not want. I spent a lot of money on here. Like $1,000 is not $100, right? Even $100 is a lot. So I looking for some kind of bag or organizer for this that'll fit something with that kind of shape. If you all can, have any suggestion, please let me know. If you can send me a link to something that you think I might be able to use, that would be awesome. Because what I have been using the dust bag, and basically I use the dust bag as a lining inside the bag to help protect it from getting dirty and stuff, because I don't want anything spilled inside of it. Anyways, please let me know, you guys. So this bag is completely empty, and I am going to stuff it up and put it away until next time. And now we are going to put everything back in here. So first of all, I am going to change. I'm going to use something else. I'm going to use this mini pochette damier bean as my, look at the interior, you guys. Oh my gosh, this interior makes me so happy. And you know what, I am going to get an organizer for this, because I do want to keep my the interior of my mini pochettes really nice and clean. So I am going to move everything from here, okay, to here, with the exception of the proof of purchase or whatever. So I'm just gonna put everything in here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this too and this. I am going to consolidate everything. So look, you guys, I stand my little mini pochette. Look right here. I don't know how it happens. All of a sudden I look at it and there it was. I have no idea if it's water stain or what. So I've been using this non-stop too, like for 3 months straight. So I'm retiring it for now. Okay, let me put this back in the Chanel case. Okay, and now I am going to put everything here. Okay, this is my new wallet that I'm going to be using. It goes right here. Okay, look. I mean, this is a tote, you guys. It's gonna fit everything. I don't really have that much. Here's my sunnies. I'm going to put my headache medicine in here. Okay, look, you guys, it's just like it's nothing. Okay, maybe I can get an organizer for this too, even though the interior is black. So, but I still don't want anything to happen to it. I'm gonna go ahead and put my mask in one of the pockets. So one of the pockets inside is actually magnetic. Very cool. it's actually magnetic. The one right here, it's magnetic. Yes, you hear the snap? Okay, it's magnetic. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my little lotion here. I'm gonna put everything back in here. Although, you know what I'm gonna do, you guys? I am going to use my toiletry 15 for these. Right? But I like this so much, I'm just gonna put this inside here too. Okay. Actually, maybe not. Okay, let's see. I just don't want anything to get the inside of it dirty, even though it's wipeable. So let's see if it can fit. It's not gonna fit, but I'm not gonna put my powder and my thing in here. I'm just gonna do this and the mirror and my lipstick. I think I'm gonna put my hand sanitizer. No, I'm just gonna hand my sanitizer like this as a charm, like this. And I guess I can put my gum in here too. Yeah, why not? Okay, I got it. Okay, and this, and my keys, and my phone, and here you go. It's not super organized, but hey, here you go. So this is my new bag that I'm gonna be carrying this week. I love it. And oh my gosh, this video is so long. This is probably the longest video that I've made. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share with your friends, your family members. Thank you so much. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I thank you and I love you all. Have a blessed day.